Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in the channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create chic and vertical blur transitions for your video edits in CapCut. So first, you need to prepare at least 2 clips like I did here, and click on the second clip, go to animation, click on the in, and then find the flash in animation. So this one, click on the check icon, and now go to video effect, click on the nightclub and find the shake effect. Okay, this one, adjust the speed into 70. Now go back, click on the check icon, lower or trim the effect and put it in between the clips. So it will go like this. And now go to video effect again, click on the opening and closing, and then find the vertical blur effect. Adjust the blur to 70. And now click on the check icon and put it under the shake effect. And then you are done, and here is the blur and shake transition. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.